In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to add new fonts on Shotcut video editor. So the first thing you gotta do, you gotta download your font on this website. I'll leave the link in the description. After that, you just click here, you click option, then you go to unzip the file, because if you download the files, it will download as zipped files. Now you gotta extract the files. Just go to extract all, then from here you click extract. Then this folder will come. Just double click and enter to this folder. Then from here you gotta install. To give you all this thing, you gotta look for open type font is OTF. Then you come there, you option again. From here, then you can say install. Go straight to install. Install. You gotta wait for you. You can also install this one is TTF. True type font. Those are the two types you can install. If like you can't install OTF, you can install TTF. Okay, make sure like when you're installing your font, Shotcut is currently not running, so you gotta restart your Shotcut. So you gotta come here, go straight to text, then you just write the name of your font. Just write whatever you want to write, or write Shotcut. Then you just click add straight to your timeline. After adding it to your timeline, you gotta check like your font name. So you gotta go down, so we gotta come here and check our font name. Our font name start with a CR, so we gotta check for that. Then this is our font. Just select it, you can see it over there, then you just click OK. Then boom, that's our font size. You can come here and change the size and make it a little bit bigger. You can also move this, then you can come right here, you go straight to middle, then you can just like to do it like this. Then I just put here, and boom guys, that's it. That's how you create your own. That's it. That's how you add your own font straight on Shotcut video editor. So Shotcut uses the font which is already installed on your computer. So whatever font you install on your computer, you can just add it straight to your Shotcut. There are so many fonts on this website, and thank you so much. Just click the first link in the comment section. We will give you like the full description on how to actually do this. Thank you so much guys. I will see you on the next one.